Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how I tune my snare Carlton Barrett style, Bob Marley, high pitch, one drop. For this video I'm using a pearl cheap snare I bought for 80 bucks on eBay. It's a steel snare, can hold a lot of tension. For me, it don't really matter what kind of snare you're using, because on tour sometimes you have to work with what you get. So I get that snare, sound like that. So if I play rockers or buff, that might work already. I just put a tissue on it. But we want to have that Bob Marley, Carlton Barrett, high-pitch reggae snare, which is not too usual in other music. So for that, I tune every screw up for one turn. This is how it sounds now. That's quite funky, but we want to go higher. So I go up half a turn more. I think we're almost there. I would say we go up quarter turn more. Okay, you hear that? That's it. Okay. The bottom skin on this snare is not tuned too high. Not as high like the top skin. Higher. And I like to tape the wires. So it sounds more like a timbales a little bit, like that. Can get creative with that. Can put a tissue underneath or anything like that. Even between the wires, you can put something there. Depends on the snare you have. Get creative. It's the sound, huh? Oh. So what you hear now is there's no EQ on the snare. Maybe a little reverb I'm gonna put on it, and we're using two SM57 mics. One on the bottom, one on the top. You get a good rim click. When you hit the snare, it's not too much difference in terms of volume, so you don't need no compression or anything. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun with music.
Drop the music, let them soul.